So we've got two different types of bacon. The difference is bonkers. All this rubbish. Look at this. Look at this. Now, this is a film about bacon. I love bacon. I mean, I love bacon. I've been eating bacon since I was a kid. The bacon sarnie. I mean, is there anything better? Bacon cheeseburger. Just tastes so good. The double bacon cheeseburger. Salty and crunchy and BLT. And sexy. I mean, ask yourself, could you live without bacon? Bacon. I think I love bacon more than my wife. But my love affair with bacon was all about to change. I read an article in the most trusted newspaper in the world, The Guardian, that said that bacon was causing cancer. I clicked on the link and there it was. Yes, bacon really is killing us. I couldn't believe my eyes. But then I scrolled down and saw that the source of the information was the World Health Organization that said that processed meats were now classified as a Group 1 carcinogen. Bacon is classified as a processed meat, and so what this meant was that it was now part of a group of 120 proven carcinogens. What this article was saying was that British bacon, well, it caused cancer. One of the most important foods known to man, and you can't eat it anymore. Are you kidding me? You know, it just feels like another week doesn't go by without one of my favourite foods from my childhood being put on the proverbial naughty step.
Mommy.
You know, I get it with foods that have got lots of additives in, or with foods that have got hidden salts and sugars, but I can't accept it with something that I've been eating for hundreds of years. Slight exaggeration. It can't suddenly be bad for us. Something's got to have changed. So in this video, I'm going to find out what's changed, and then I'm going to compare old school bacon against this new bacon that's causing all the problems. As I dug into this more and more, there were two food additives that came up time and time again: potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. What are nitrates? What are they doing on my bacon? Why did Big Food feel it necessary to put it there in the first place? Right. Time to go see one of my mates. Come on. I'm off to the world-famous River Cottage. Thank you. To see my mate, author and food legend, Steve Lamb. He's been at River Cottage for over 18 years and is in charge of all things charcuterie. There's not a thing he doesn't know about bacon, and in fact he wrote the book on how to smoke and cure meat.
Always nice to see you.
Steve.
Hello.
Bacon causes cancer. I can't eat it anymore.
Some bacon is risky, but you can eradicate those problems really, really easily. Nitrates are where the problem are, and the welfare of the animal.
You see, nitrates in and of themselves are not a problem. They're not carcinogenic. They're naturally present in a load of green vegetables. It's when they're introduced to meat, that's when they become carcinogenic.
Nitrates are added as a way of stabilising the bacon because it's been injected with water and salt to make it taste like bacon. It's not cured, it's not preserved. That's why you've got a small window of opportunity in which to purchase it and use it. Okay. Sell by, use by. It's what, 5 or 6 days, right?
So modern bacon has a sell-by date because it's not really bacon.
It's absolutely true. You've got a brilliant term called Frankenstein meat. I mean, that sums it up. Absolutely brilliant. The whole process is sped up.
And the reason why they're speeding it up?
Well, it's all about somebody's making money out of it. A pig is normally killed at about a 9-month age period. The sort of pork that is used in commercial bacon is killed less than 4 months old. In that short life, it's been bred to be kept indoors in close proximity to hundreds of other pigs, really needed to be medicated to get it through the process and survive. Other pigs are biting the ears and the tails, and so what they do is they break their teeth, they drop their tails, so that sort of thing doesn't show on the carcass. And it's not an animal, it's a commodity.
Yes.
Get it on the shelf. And that bacon, as you can imagine, we've all eaten it, it just does not taste good.
It's so frustrating because when I read that article, it was like, what? Well, bacon causes cancer. And what I'm realising is that actually it's the intensively farmed, manufactured, mass market bacon that's not even bacon, it's Frankenstein bacon. And it's not the nitrate free bacon. that's done traditionally. Mate, thanks so much.
My pleasure.
Good to see you.
You too.
Right, brother, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. Take care, John.
Steve, what a legend. I just love that guy. You know, he said something really interesting to me as I was leaving, but he said the best bacon comes from happy pigs. So next up, let's go find some happy pigs. So, why is it important to keep the pigs outdoors like this rather than in a factory?
Because they can display their natural behaviour, like that one with the straw in its mouth runs around and they dig up the earth and yeah, have a great time outside.
Don't you feel bad about eating bacon?
No, because look, they're having a great time and
So delicious. No, I don't, because there's a lot of meat eaters about and these are happy pigs. If we're going to eat meat, it's better to rear them this way instead of being in, you know, pig farms that they're put in cages and they can't even move.
there's lots of people going veggie. I was basically veggie when I was at uni and couldn't afford good meat.
Let me get this right. When you were at uni and you were poor, you were a veggie rather than
Basically,
eat
yeah.
intensively farmed meat.
But if you eat good meat less often, then you don't have to feel bad about it.
A happier pig, what does that mean?
It means it will
Longer life.
taste better at the end. If it's had a better life, then you know it's all right to eat it.
They are in beautiful countryside, they're not intensely far, they're happy, you know, they're very sociable, aren't they?
You feel happy eating meat that's been treated properly, that's had a good life.
Yeah.
Amazing, thanks so much for showing me
Thank
around.
you.
See you later, bye. So cool. So I've got some nitrate-free bacon. Let's take that back to the studio and test it against some stuff from the supermarket. Let's do it. Right people, so we've got two different types of bacon. We've got the really good stuff, the nitrate-free bacon that the girls gave us, and then we've got this. Right, let's cook the good stuff and see what happens. So remember, this bacon was made with a salt and sugar cure, probably cured for about 5 to 10 days, and then it was dry aged. It was hung and dried in the air naturally, and that's it. That's all it was made with. It's cooked, almost no moisture has come out, it's caramelised, it's beautiful and gnarly. Let's try a piece. It's got that crunchy, caramelised, bacon, sweet, salty surface area. That's crunchy. I think what he's trying to say is it's crunchy. It's got a depth of flavour that's just making it so delicious. Oh, so good. Next up, the other bacon. Ingredients, potassium nitrate's on there, sodium nitrate, and then it says it has an antioxidant, a sodium ascorbate. I have no idea what that is. It's also got the sell by date. This is bacon, it's supposed to be a preserved food, yet it's got to be eaten by the 10th of July. The other bacon, £25 a kilo. This is 400 grams and it's £3. That means that it is £15 a kilo as opposed to £25 a kilo. 40% cheaper. Like, the difference is bonkers. Look at the amount of water that's just bleeding out of there. And like all this rubbish, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at all this rubbish that's coming out of it. That is your water. Because the bacon's a lot thinner, then it kind of, parts of it cook faster. The other parts that have got the water that have bled onto it, they just kind of poach. You know, the worst thing is that when the water, the moisture, has evaporated, then it looks like good old bacon. Like, it's just got this white scum on it. Just look at that. White scum all over it, which will be the water, the nitrates. I'm sorry, I'm just not eating it. Like, it's got that acrid, salty vibe, right? That we've all come to know. Oh, that's bacon. It's not bacon. Real bacon has a meat flavour. It's not just dominated by this salty vibe that's coming from the nitrates, right? No. You know, it's just not right that this is being allowed. It's not right that good quality old school artisan bacon is lumped in with all this industrial bacon. And I've had enough. So next week I'm going to show you how to make old school, nitrate free bacon. That's right, people. I'm going to take you from the start to the finish. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, and that bacon is going to blow you away. It tastes so good. And it got me thinking, wouldn't it be great if the Busketeers could try that bacon? So, if you're interested in getting your hands on some Food Busker old school nitrate-free bacon, then let me know in the comment box below. If enough of you, and I mean like 150 of you at least, say, I want Food Busker bacon, then I will find a way for you to buy that. I will make a load of it, I will get it done, and I will get it sent to you. Bacon! Increase the pace.